GO number 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. GO number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass unto the sentinel who relieves my all orders from commanding officers, officers of the day, and non-commissioned officers of the guard only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except the line of duty. GO number 8. To give the alarm in case of fire of disorder. GO number 9. To call the commander of the relief in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officers, color standard not case. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging, to challenge all personnel or near my post and no one allowed to pass without proper authority.